Welcome, second graders. We have been working hard on adding up to 4 two-digit numbers. We have learned how to use base 10 blocks. We have used an open number line, and we have also learned how to decompose numbers to add tens and ones. Today, we are going to learn how to add up to 4 two-digit numbers chart. So let's go ahead and look at our word problem. Marcus collected 22 baseball cards in March, 41 baseball cards in April, and 32 baseball cards in May. How many baseball cards did Marcus have at the end of May? We worked out this problem before and we noticed that the question is asking how many did he have at the end of May. That means that we need to add March, April, and May together. So to do this on a hundreds chart, I want to first use my biggest number. Okay, so I know my largest number is 41. So I'm going to start at 41 and I'm going to add 22 and 32 more. So when I'm using my hundreds chart, I first find the largest number, which is 41. Now, just like a number line, I want to look at my tens first. 22 has 2 tens, and 32 has 3 tens. So I'm going to go down 5 tens. When I'm using a hundreds chart, I go down. As I go down, I am adding 10 each time. When I go across, I am adding 1. So I want to go down 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each time I added a 10. You notice here it's just like adding a 10 using our base 10 blocks. So I added my 5 tens. 41 plus 10 more is 51, plus 10 more is 61, plus 10 more is 71, plus 10 more is 81, plus 10 more is 91. Okay, now I have to remember that I started at 41. And now I need to add my ones. I've already added my tens. Now I need to add my ones. I'm adding 2 plus 2 more, and I know that's the doubles, which is 4. So when I'm adding just ones, I am going to go across to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that 41 plus 22 plus 32 equals 95. Let's go ahead and try another word problem. Marcus collected 32 baseball cards in March, 21 baseball cards in April, and 12 baseball cards in May. How many baseball cards did Marcus have at the end of May? Remember, it says at the end of May. So I have to count how many cards he has all together through May. So I know that in March he had 32, in April he had 21, and in May he had 12. Now when I am using a hundreds chart, I have to remember I want to start at the largest number, which is 32. So 32 plus 21 plus 12. Okay, so the first step I need to take is to find my largest number, which is 32. Now I need to add my tens. 21 has two tens and 12 has one ten. So I am going to add three tens. I go down to add tens. One, two, three tens. 32 plus three tens is 62. Now I need to add my ones. 1 plus 2 is 3. I go to the right to add by ones. 1, 2, 3. So now I know 32 plus 21 plus 12 equals 65. Good job. Now it's your turn to try.